Good morning, my dear students. So, today we will learn how to do editing in our drawing. And to create a drawing, first we have to open the Microsoft Paint. How to open the Microsoft Paint? First, this is your Start button. We click on the Start button. It will show you the list of programs. From here, we select the option Paint. Your paint window will open. This is your Microsoft Paint window. Now, this is the area where we have to create any drawing. And to draw any shape, to draw anything, we have to use all these shapes. These are the shapes. We have to use these shapes and we can draw anything. Now we have to fill the colors. How to fill the colors? We have to use the color bar option and we can fill the color in our image. Now to do editing, we have to click on the image group. In image group, there is a select option. See, this is the select option. We click on this option and after this, whatever the changes we want to do, we will do it. Now first, we will create a picture. How to create a picture? With the help of these shapes. Now I have created this picture or drawing. Now I want to do editing, and for doing editing, first we have to select the image, and to select the image we have to use the select command in the image group. See, in the select command it has two selections, rectangular selection and your freeform selection. When we select the rectangular selection, whatever the area we select, that will be in rectangular shape. And if we want any other shape like your circle, any flower, then we have to use your freeform selection. Now first we will use how to resize the image or picture. First we will learn how to use the resize option. In resize option, we can decrease or increase the size of an image. How to do this? First, we have to select the image or part of the image. We click on the select tool, then select the option rectangular selection. Now select the complete picture. Picture is selected. Now we click on there is the option resize. We click on the resize option. See, your resize and skew dialog box will open. Now here we have to enter the percentage. It's 100 and 100. We will make it 50 and 50. And then we click on the OK button. See, our image is reduced. Earlier, its size is that much, and when I use the resize command, my image is reduced. Now we have done on the complete image. Now we can reduce any part of the image also. First, again click on the select option, then click on the rectangular selection. Now we will resize the eye of the object. Right? First we will select the eye, and then again we click on the resize option. Again we will enter here the percentage and then click on the OK button. See, its eye size is reduced. So in this way we can increase or decrease the size of the drawing. Next, we will use the skew command. What is the use of skew command? With the help of skew command, we can twist our drawing or image. Again, for this, first we have to select the image. And how to select the image? We use the rectangular selection. We have selected this image. Now we click on the resize option. Now we have to skew it. So we will work on the skew window. Here we enter the numbers. We enter the percentage. By how much percentage we want to twist our drawing. Then click on the OK. See, your image is twisted. Now we will twist another. We will twist this eye. Again, first we select the eye, then click on the resize. Resize and skew dialog box will open. Here we will enter the percentage. Say 70 and 70. And then click on the OK button. See, its eye is twisted. So in this way we can resize and skew the drawing or images.